what's up? Day number 2 of using this lens. Is it focused? I don't know if it's focused. Anyway, I'm just gonna get a bunch of clips on my rails and box because I have to stay here, babysit my sister, so I have nothing else really to do. I'm gonna work my way up. I'm gonna start with my little red rail, work up to the Sabrosa rail, and then ride my box. Is there a wasp on me? I'm selling this camera and this lens that I'm using right now, probably all around $520 for the camera and lens, so hit me up if you want it. I'm actually terrible at rail rides. By far the sketchiest switch raid I've ever done. Dang it. I hate rail rides. Okay. Enough of that rail. That was actually the first time I did a lot of those tricks. I never did a rail ride switch 180 or rail ride 1 bar, so learning right now, about to switch to the Sabrosa rail. I'm balling. Ugh. Yeah, let's do some tricks. Keep in mind I'm taking it easy today. Looks like it's about to rain, but I still gotta get a video up to you. Switch. Oh my God. You see that dust? I made a dust tornado with my falling. Count it. Oh, here we go. Okay, we've got one more, the box behind me, before it starts raining. It's actually really hot. I really suck at bikes. I'm sorry I'm not landing things, but I'm trying. Newspaper calling. Hello? Yeah. Good, how are you? All right, yeah, sounds good. The freedom. Oh man. Best summer memory, that's a hard one. Off the top of my head, we went to the Dominican Republic, and that was the craziest vacation I've ever been on. Somewhere I would like to travel to. Oh man, there's so many places. My number one on my list right now is where I want to move someday. Is probably California. I'm not sure where, but California. It's just way more opportunity, and it's great up there for what I want to do. Favorite thing to do indoors? Indoors. Probably just my favorite activity. Probably video games. I really like video games. Ride my bike. Favorite thing to do in the summer? Probably just ride my bike with my friends. It's just, one, it's good exercise. Two, it's fun. There's freedom. You can do whatever you want. There's zero pressure whatsoever. The only competition is really yourself, so. Wreck. I was at the Springfield skate park and I did a trick and I landed on my face, knocked myself out, broke my eye sockets, my nose, knocked my 4 front teeth out, and got a concussion. Yeah. Oh, no. My theme song? Okay, my theme song's Lemonade by Gucci Mane. It's important because there's a lot of people who really care about it. There's a lot of safety issues of not having a skate park. It's just, a lot of people want it. It'd be a healthy thing for a lot of people to get into BMX. And mostly just safety thing, I think, is most. The creative challenge of keeping things fresh and keeping things entertained in videos, because I film and upload my daily life every single day. You too. Bye. That was some on-the-spot interview on top of the interview I did a couple days ago for some, I think they're the CC headliner, I don't really know. I couldn't answer my favorite question. My favorite question was, the best advice you've ever received? I couldn't answer that. There's just so much, I couldn't think of anything on the top of my head. It's called On the Spot for a reason, so. Kind of upset I didn't answer that one, but. Anyway, I'm gonna ride my box. Jesus, all right, we're counting that. I'm taking everything, even the sketch ones, because we gotta get moving. Oh, Jesus. The box is so freaking sticky right now, even though I waxed it. Ah! Oh, that was it! Oh my God. I hope you saw that. It's about to rain. I gotta put all this stuff up. That box is heavy. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Till next time. I hate this lens. Probably not gonna use it. I don't think you can see me. Bye.